Guys, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nikki, can you hit that light right there? Yeah, we just lit it. All right. Can you put his cake a little bit closer to him, Nikki?
Careful.
Be careful. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicholas. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Blow out your candle. Blow it out. Say, woo. You're trying to get him to blow it out.
Hey, G.
Go blue. Yay! Hit the light, baby. Oh my gosh. So cute.
Man.
Oh! Oh! He put his face in the cake. Oh my. Ah! He just went for it with his whole mouth. He didn't even use his hands. He put his whole face in it. Oh. He's eating with his mouth. He's not even using his hands. Oh my God. I know. You're giving him a bath.
Yeah, hyper.
Oh my gosh, there's more. What did you say, Mom? Yeah, right? He's going to town on that cake, Mom. Hey guys, he looks like he's got army, what's that stuff, that army paint? Army paint all over his face. Oh, ew.
But you know.
Right? I'm about to upload this right now so y'all can see.
What do I do,
Oh my goodness. Is he talking? No, he's not. He's not. He's just putting his whole mouth all over the cake. He's just eating it, not using his, not even using his hands. Oh, Nikki's cleaning him up because he pushed his whole face in the cake. So he's giving him a bath.
I don't care.
I
don't care.
You're gonna get in his eye.
Right? Oh.
Get away from me.
She's trying to wipe him up. Yeah. Let me show you. Well, actually, I'm gonna put on here what the last gift that we got him. The last gift we got him.
Yeah.
It's well, you'll see it on the tape, but you can open it up, Nikki.
Yeah.
Okay, Nikki's getting ready to open it. It's wrapped up in Toy Story. Toy Story wrapping. It's real big. Okay, Nicholas, you got one more gift to open.
You didn't even see the poster.
Oh yeah, there's two more. Aww. Yeah, see, Nicholas? It's like a little, like a little seat he can sit in, and the bottom is a piano, and it lights up, and it plays music, and it's got little piano keys. He can play music while he sits there, and he's got a little microphone. Yeah, and he can twist and turn. Yeah. Do you like it? Do you like it, Nicholas?
What are you doing?
He's still going to town on the cake. He's not even using his hands.
Turn it around.
Oh my goodness. No, he's just using his mouth. That's it. He's in his high chair, so. Yep. Oh my gosh.
Blinkers.
Nikki, can you grab the last gift
What is it?
in the bedroom?
I know. What did they do to you?
Oh my god.
We're gonna turn him into a cake,
We're back at home, yeah.
cake junkie.
We're back at home.
Aww.
And this last gift.
Jasmine said,
Jasmine said what? They said hello? Is that what you said?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Tell them I said hi.
Oh, hi. Hello.
Oh, Dad?
Yeah.
You said Dad? Grandpa said hello. Grandpa's there. Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay. So yeah, his last gift that we got him is a rocking
Cake
horse.
junkie.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah.
Get it out.
Jude is he's still deployed. But oh, I'm talking to Mel. Hold on. I'm talking to Mom. Hold on a second, Mel. Jude's still deployed, and we invited Amber and baby Jude, but she was moving into her house and she got locked out and she didn't make it. But she'll come over tomorrow. Yeah. It was real nice. Oh my goodness. Well, now he's using his hands. Okay.
Now
Wow.
he's gonna flip it.
Okay. Oh my. Oh my goodness. He's destroying his cake. Okay. That's why I made it for him.
That's what it's made for.
I'm gonna give it. Oh. Okay. I will. We'll give it some milk. Wow. I'm about to upload this video, y'all. So y'all can see it, okay? All right. Mel, Mom said she'll be down there tomorrow. Yeah, she's got to go up to the bishop's meeting. Oh, hold on. Hey, Mom, Mel said, what time are you leaving? Because she was coming to see you.
Bye.
He's sucking his teeth.
About,
Happy birthday, Nicholas.